So we are going to start the lesson. Everybody should open the notebook. Now I'm going to show you the question and answers. You have to write this in the notebook. But remember, what you have to do first, you have to write the name of the chapter on the top of the page, and you have to write the date on the left side. Okay? So let me show you the question. The question is on your screen. One day of Mercury is equals to how many days of Earth? One day of Mercury is equals to how many days of Earth? Write this question in your notebook. Remember, on the left hand side, on the top of the left hand side, you have to write the date, and on the top of the page, you have to write the name of the chapter. Everybody should write in the notebook. Okay, everybody done writing? Everybody done writing?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
everybody done?
sir, I
Yes,
sent
sir.
you the answer
We finished.
of
No, sir.
question
Yes, sir.
18.
Write the question, I will show you the answer.
Sir,
Wait.
I know the
Write
answer,
the
sir. I know the
question, I
answer.
will show you the answer. Okay?
58.
So I'm going to show you the answer now. Okay, now I'm going to show you the answer. The answer of this question. This question is saying one day of Mercury is equals to how many days of Earth? The answer is 58.6 Earth days are equals to one day of Mercury. 58.6 Earth days are equals to one day of Mercury. 58.6 Earth days are equals to one day of Mercury. Means 58.6 days passed on Earth is equals to one day of Mercury. Means after near about 2 months passed on Earth, when we live 2 months on Earth, near about 2 months, then it would be a one day on Mercury. So write this answer in the notebook. And those who are done with the answer, they can write the question number 2 in the notebook. Remember everyone, those students who joined the class right now, they may open the notebook. We are going to do the question and answer session. What you have to do, you have to write the name of the chapter on the top of the page, and you have to write the date on the left hand side, on the left topmost corner. Okay, so we are done with the question 1, and we are now writing the answer of question number 1. Everybody should has to write this in the notebook. Everybody should has to write this in the notebook. So three students join the class right now. Three students joined the class right now. I want to told them that we are doing a question and answer for chapter number 2. You have to open your notebook, write the name of the chapter on the top of the page, write the date on the leftmost top corner, and write the question number and its answer in your notebook. Everybody should has to write the questions and the answers in your notebook. So those who are done with the question number 1 and the answer of question number 1, they have to write the question number 2 in their notebook. Everybody should has to do it, because after the questions you have to send me the picture. You after the questions, after writing the questions, you have to send me the picture on the mail on the in the class era of these questions. So write these questions now. Everybody should has to write these questions. I will wait for each and every question so that every student can write. I will wait on every question so that every student can write. So everybody done? Everybody done? Say yes or no.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes,
answer for the
sir.
question
I
number
have a
two.
problem
Answer
because
for
I
the question
didn't
number
write
two is on the
anything we
screen.
did before.
Answer for the question number two
Yes,
on the
sir.
screen.
Read
Write
with
the
us.
answer. Write the answer. Everybody should has to
Okay,
write the
wait,
Yes.
sir.
answer in the notebook. Okay. Here, let me explain you one thing. There are two spellings of vapor. There are two spellings of vapor. Let's suppose there are two same as two spellings of color. Everybody knows there are two spellings of color. One spelling is COLOR and the other spelling is COLOUR. Okay, because one spelling is British and the other spelling is American. Okay, it's British and American spelling, but both gives the right word. Both gives the right word, the right meaning. Okay, there is one more word. It's center. Okay, it's one spelling and there is a second spelling. The one is American and the one is British. Okay, in the same way, vapor has two spelling. It's VAPOR and it's VAPOUR. Both spellings are correct. Both spellings are correct. I wrote the spelling VAPOR. I am clear making it clear because both these spellings can work. Both these spellings can work. I'm just giving you the example. Okay, so all the spellings which I wrote here on the right side of the screen are correct. Okay, because one is British and the other one is American. So both spellings are correct. So the spelling is correct. Everyone should has to write. The question number 2 is saying why Earth is suitable for living. Because Earth has suitable temperature, air, rainfall, vapor, and wind. Because we have suitable temperature, so that we cannot die because of the temperature. Because temperature is on average it's a 15 degree centigrade on average, and it's there is a air, there is a rainfall, there is a vapor, and there's a wind on the earth. That's why it is suitable. So everyone should has to write this answer in the notebook. Yes, Malik, what happened? You raised the hand, Malik.
Nothing, sir. I was raising the hand for the answer of
Okay,
the.
okay, 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 sure. Okay, everybody should has to write this answer in their notebook. So those who are done with the question number 2, the question number 3 is at the bottom of the screen. The question number 3 is at the bottom of the screen. You guys can see the question number 3. And those who are done with the answer of question number 2, they can write the question number 3 in their notebook. So those students who join the class right now, we are doing a question and answer session. You can write the question and answers in the notebook. Okay. So we are done with question 1 and its answer, question 2 and its answer. Now we are at question 3. So those who are writing question 2, they can write it. And those who are done the question 2 and its answer, they can write the question number 3 in their notebook. Okay. So now I am revealing the answer for the question number 3. Okay, let me show. Okay, question number 3 answer is separately on the other screen. It's separately on the other screen. Let me ask students so that if they are done, then we can move towards the next screen. Okay, let me ask.
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Okay, what is the question? What is the
Sir,
question?
finish. It is also why Earth is suitable for living because it has an actual landscape. Others, they're just a gas giant. That's all.
No, the thing you are saying, we have to go with the book. It's mentioned in your book.
Oh,
Why
okay.
Earth is suitable? Because Earth has a suitable temperature. We have to go with the book.
Okay,
For
sir.
example, if we can write the general answer and someone says, sir, it is not mentioned in the book, then how we would answer this thing?
Okay,
Because it's
sir.
mentioned
Sir,
in your
I
book.
know the
Okay,
answer,
sir.
but
I
I
Okay.
sent
don't
you
remember
the
the
homework,
name.
sir.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, I know
Now
the
I
everyone
answer,
finished.
but
listen.
Sir,
the
I
name.
sent you home.
Everyone listen. Okay, everyone listen. Can we move to the new screen? Means question 1 and 2 will be disappeared from the screen. Question 3 answer will be shown on the screen. Can we move?
Yes.
Shall we
Yes.
move?
Yes,
Everybody done
sir.
with question 1
Move.
and 2?
Yes, sir.
Everybody
Sir, I
done?
know the
Yes, sir.
answer.
I sent you the homework.
Okay, that's so nice of you. Okay, so upon the yes of everyone, we are moving towards the next screen. We are done with the question 1 and 2. Question 3 answer is on the screen. Answer of question 3 is on the screen. One student is saying that he knows the answer. Very good if you know the answer. Okay, write this answer in your notebook. Write this answer in your notebook. It's answer for the question number 3. It's answer for the question number 3. Okay, take your time, write it, be relaxed and write it carefully. Okay, everyone. So question number 3 is saying, what are three layers of Earth? So there are three main layers. There are three main layers: the core, the mantle, or the crust. The crust is the layer on which we are living. It's the outer layer. Okay. And the middle one is the mantle layer. It's a middle layer. It's a semi-liquid layer. Okay. And then the third one, the core, the inner layer, which is inside the earth. Okay. So there are three main layers of earth. Whenever someone asks you what are the three layers of earth, you have to tell it's core, mantle, or crust. Okay. So everyone should have to know that the core is the inner one, mantle is the middle layer, and the crust is the outer layer. Okay. So now let me ask you one thing. Yes, everyone is done. Everyone
Yes.
is done with the
Yes,
question
sir.
three.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Everyone
sir.
I
done.
have a question.
Yes, sir.
نعم يستر.
Okay.
Sir, I have a question, please.
Sir, I
Yes,
want
who
to
has a
tell you
question?
In
something.
question two, I write the answer because
Yes, someone is saying he has a question. Yes, please.
in
Sir,
question two, I write the answer because Earth has suitable temperature, air, rainfall, vapor, and water. True?
Okay, that's okay. That's okay.
Sir,
That's
I
okay.
Okay.
want to tell
sir,
you
I
some.
have a question.
Yes, what is your question?
Sir, can I tell you something?
Yes, yes, you can say something.
Sir, can you don't make for us to wait so that when we finish we tell you? Because I finish quickly.
Okay, but we have to take all the students along. We are all, we have to take all the students along. Okay, if you done it fast, very good. But
Sir,
we have to take all the students along.
sir,
Okay,
sir, the answer,
because everyone should has to write the answer.
sir,
Okay,
the answer
so
of
now,
worksheet.
now,
Sir, sir,
now,
sir, the
wait.
answer
First write the
of
question.
active.
First write the question. First, everybody should write this question. Then we will move towards other thing. Okay. Now I'm showing you the question number 4. It's a question number 4. The question number 4 is on the screen. Everybody should has to write the question number 4. It's the last question. It's the last question. It's the last question. Everybody should has to write the question. It's the last question of the period. It's the last question of the period. Everybody should has to write the question number 4. The question number 4 is Earth is fragile. Earth is fragile. What does that mean? Earth is fragile. Okay, I told you the word fragile meaning. The fragile means which can easily be broken. Fragile means which can easily be broken or the brokenable. Okay, the things made up of glass are fragile. The things made up of glass are fragile means they can easily be broken. So the statement is saying that Earth is fragile. What does that mean? So I will show you the answer. First, you can write the question in your notebook, and after 30 seconds, I will reveal the answers on your screen. Now the answer for the question number 4 is it means Earth is fragile. What does that mean? It means that Earth is at a high risk of anything and can change the balance. The balance of temperature, the balance of wind, the balance of water, the balance of food. So everything can be changed with the high risk, okay, of anything. Okay, we can protect it by recycling plastic, using solar panels, and using less water. There are some more things we can do, but if we can do these three things, we can also save the earth very much, okay, by recycling plastic, okay, because plastic never dissolved in earth, because it takes many years to dissolve. Earth take many years to dissolve the plastic, okay. So we always has to recycle the plastic, use the solar panels, okay, to less rely on the electricity. If we use the solar panels, then we have less rely on the oil or the other fuels. If we use the solar panels for the electricity, we have to less rely on the other fuels, okay, than the solar panels, using less water. Whenever you are using water, always try to use it less or to make it safe. Okay, I gave you an example in the last class that whenever we are brushing our teeth, what you have to do, always close the tap and brush the teeth, and when you are done with the brushing, then open the tap. It will save water, it will save a lot of water. If one person is doing, it will save little water. If two-person is doing, then it's also a little water. But if 2000, if 10,000, if 15,000, if 20,000, if 1 lakh people doing this, they will save much water by just closing the tap at the time of brushing their teeth. So in this way, always use the less water or try to save it. Don't waste the water. So everyone should have to write this answer in the notebook. Everybody should has to write the answer in the notebook. Okay. This is the answer for the question number 4. This is the last question of the chapter. Everybody should has to write it. Okay. After this question, some students write very fast. Good. So those who are done with the question and the answer of question number 4, they can open the assignment. There is an assignment for you. It's in the class era course material. It's available now. You can open the assignment and do the assignment. It's available there, and it's very much easy. Okay. Now everyone should has to write the answers of questions and in the notebook. And after writing the answers and questions, you have to send me the picture of the notebook pages. You have to send me the picture of the notebook pages. And there is one little task. I am repeating it again. You have to do the assignment. You have to do the assignment from the class era. Okay. So you guys can write this answer in the notebook. So everyone done? Everyone done with the answer?
Yes, sir.
No. Sir,
Yes.
no.
Okay, you
Sir,
can
I am
write it.
plus,
Write it.
sir.
Write it.
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir, not yet.
Sir, I
Yes, sir.
finished the assignment.
Finish.
Okay.
Sir,
Okay.
I will go
Those
do
who
the
did the assignment.
assignment.
Okay. Right now the period time of the period is ended. Period is ended. So those who are done with the assignment or those who are done with the questions, they can leave the class.
Sir, I have a
Okay.
question.
Sir, go do
And those
assignment.
who are writing,
I have a
those who are
question.
writing,
Do the assignment.
those who are
Goodbye.
writing
Sir, I
the
get 4
answer, those
marks.
who are writing the
I have a
answer, they can
question.
take a screenshot. Those who are writing an answer right now, they can take a screenshot, because I have a class. After this class, you can write the, you can take a screenshot. You can take a screenshot, please, and do the answer. Do the answer. Okay. Now, I am signing out. The period is over. We will meet in the next class, inshallah. Okay. Bye, everyone.